Hello again, Stephen O'Sullivan from Trent Driving School, and in this video we want to talk about getting the skills you need to successfully have your first road trip and come back safely without any problems. Now we all know that the driving test doesn't test high speed stuff, often no highways, no freeways, and country driving, just because of the test is usually in a suburban area. And that's an often overlooked skill that people have. And what we find is that people don't go on road trips, which are fun, go with your friends because they feel nervous about it. They don't have the skills to do it. And the other thing is that often, sadly, this is where a lot of horrific crashes happen because of the speed that's involved. So the best way to ensure that you've got the skills when you're on your P's to go on a road trip, ensure that you have fun and you come back, is actually to do a few mini road trips while on your logbook. And the best way to do this from wherever you are is pick a destination that you'd like to go to. So most people like the beach, and I urge you to pick one that is 2 hours away by driving. Then look at the map and plot the way that you're going to get there. And you'll notice that there's probably some main roads and some freeways that you can go on. I want you on the freeways for a little bit, but I'd actually like you to pick a bit more of a diverse route, so you're getting the back roads, the bendy, the windy roads, all of them, and make it a bit trickier for yourself. So once you've got the destination, you go, okay, you're going to pick a weekend day. Is probably best to do this, and head out to the destination. 2 hours drive. Remember, you've got to take a rest wherever you are. Make sure there's some food. You can get a drink. Stretch those legs, and here's the key to get better at it: is come back a different route to home. Obviously, you're going to be able to put 4 hours in your logbook, which is going to help. Do that a few times, and you'll find that you're getting these skills about how do I steer at high speeds going around a corner, because it's different to actually just turning the wheel to turn left or right. Overtaking slower vehicles, being overtaken because my speed is limited. And this funny thing that we call velocitation, you would have experienced this as a passenger. You go 100 kilometers an hour for a long time, and then you suddenly come into a 60 or 50 zone. And it feels like that the car's going so slow, you could open the door and step out. We call that velocitation. And this is actually where people get caught speeding, is they feel like they're going slower than they should be, and so they go a bit faster and they get done. So you want to actually experience that while on your L's before you go out on your P's. Now, this is all sounding a bit too much. This is something we do here at Trent. We offer road trip preparation training. We go to a destination, have some lunch, make sure that we cover off all of those different kind of environmental driving things that you're that you're going to tackle when you're on your P's, so that you're prepared. Okay, thank you. See you next time.